Today I'm sharing 5 beginner-friendly apps that anyone can use to start making money today. The first app in our list is ySense. ySense is a global online rewards platform that pays you for completing surveys and even offers like app downloads and signups. The best part, you don't need any special skills and it works in almost every country. Once you sign up for free, you will see daily surveys available. These surveys usually take between 5 to 20 minutes and can pay anywhere from a few cents up to several dollars depending on the length and the company offering it. Apart from surveys, ySense also has what's called cash offers. These are super simple, like downloading an app, trying out a free trial, or signing up for a service. Each completed offer gives you instant rewards. And if you want to maximize your earnings, ySense has micro tasks powered by Figure 8. These include things like categorizing images, data entry, or quick online research tasks. ySense pays through PayPal, Payoneer, and even gift cards like Amazon, Walmart, and more. So no matter where you live, there is usually a payout option available. Next in the list we have Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most trusted apps for making money online. You earn points called SB by doing things you already do every day, like answering surveys, shopping online, or watching videos. Then you redeem those points for PayPal cash or gift cards. Signing up is completely free, and you even get a bonus just for joining. Once inside, you will find tons of options to earn. Quick surveys that pay instantly, watching video playlists, playing games, or even earning cash back while shopping at your favorite stores. Every activity adds SB points to your balance, and you can cash out as soon as you hit just $5 worth of points. Here is the pro tip. First, focus on daily surveys. They refresh every 24 hours and add up quickly. Second, use Swagbucks for your online shopping. You will earn cash back on top of regular rewards. Third, check out the daily goals inside the app. Completing them unlocks bonus points. And lastly, keep an eye on Swagbucks promotions. They often pay double for certain tasks. Next we have Pinecone Research. Pinecone Research is one of the most trusted and exclusive survey panels out there. Unlike many apps that pay just a few cents, Pinecone pays around $3 to $5 for every single survey you complete, and some even more. Here is how it works. Once you join, Pinecone sends you surveys about products, services, and ads. Each one takes about 10 to 15 minutes and pays directly in cash or gift cards. But here is the fun part. Sometimes they mail you actual products to test and review at home. You get to keep the items and get paid for your feedback. That's what makes Pinecone stand out from other survey apps. Here is the pro tip. First, check your email often because surveys fill up quickly. Second, answer honestly and consistently. Pinecone rewards reliable panelists with more invites. Third, complete every survey you offered because Pinecone doesn't overwhelm you with dozens of low-paying surveys. Each one is high value. Next in the list we have Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie connects you with brands that want your feedback on products, ads, and services. In return, you earn points that can be redeemed for PayPal cash or e-gift cards. It's simple, legit, and beginner friendly. Here is how it works. After signing up and filling out your profile, Survey Junkie matches you with surveys that fit your interests. Most surveys pay between 50 cents to $3 and take 5 to 20 minutes to complete. Every point equals 1 cent, so 1000 points equals $10. The best part, you can cash out once you hit just $5, which is one of the lowest payout thresholds in the industry. Here is the pro tip. Complete your profile fully to get more survey invitations. Log in daily because surveys are time sensitive and fill up quickly. Stick to surveys that pay more per minute of your time. And don't forget, Survey Junkie has also a browser extension that tracks your online activity anonymously for bonus points. Next we have CashKick. CashKick is a fast growing money making platform that pays you real cash for completing simple online activities. From surveys and watching videos to downloading apps and testing games. Every task you do adds money directly to your account. Here is how it works. Once you sign up for free, you will see a dashboard filled with offers and tasks. Each one shows how much you will earn, so you can pick the ones that give you the best payout. Surveys are short and easy, while offers like trying out apps or games can pay you even more. Once you reach just $10, you can cash out directly to PayPal, no waiting forever to get your money. Here is the pro tip. Focus on the high-paying game trials. Many users earn $20 to $50 just from testing apps. Complete your profile to get matched with better surveys. Always check the featured offers section since those usually pay the highest. And remember, the more consistently you log in, the faster you will hit payouts.